Welcome to the Insight Support training video for business hours and public holidays. To start, click on your Setup button across the top and then select Business Hours. Click the Edit button in the bottom right-hand corner and you will be able to set the times. You have the option to close or open any day of the week by unchecking the Closed column. Unchecking means that you will be open, a check mark means you will be closed. You can change the opening and closing hours by clicking left or right for 30-minute increments or up and down for 5-minute increments. When you are certain the hours are correct, click Save and then you can exit out of the business hours area. Next, choose Setup and choose Public Holidays. This area is for you to close, open, or change the business hours for specific days for all employees, all in one area. An example is July 4th or Christmas Day. Click the Add button and check off that you're closed that day and click Save. If you want to close early or open late on a specific day, simply navigate to that day, click Add, change the hours, and click Save. Thank you for watching the Business Hours and Public Holidays tutorial. You can contact Insight Support at 1-800-805-4532 or you can email us at help@salon-software.com. Have a nice day.